First, get a screwdriver and use it to pry the tool plates off. If the screwdriver can't get into the slot, you can rotate the plate of grinding to find the suitable position. After pry off all the tool plates, we can start installing the diamond tools. Stick them into the grooves and clamp them tight. Ensure that the diamond tools are properly installed on the machine. Check their condition and fit to ensure optimal operation. Set a dust belt on the outside of the grinding head. Prevent dust from flying during grinding. Adjust weights before start. Ensure that the machine's weight is properly distributed, ensuring it is outside of the machine head for optimal stability. Adjusting adjustable handle to the appropriate angle, convenient work. Plug in the power. Turn on the machine. Don't forget to pull up the emergency button to ensure that the machine can run properly after. Adjust the speed and choose the direction, then the machine begins to operate. Start the machine following the instructions in the user manual, adhering to appropriate safety procedures. Turn on the LED light by twisting the rotation button in the upper right corner. Take off the plug of the water tank. Fill it with water. Put the plug back when the water tank is full. Rotate the first button on the right side of the back of the 550 Pro machine. Then the spray is working.